In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear history in Perplexity AI. If you've been exploring different questions or testing prompts and want a clean slate, this quick walkthrough will help you remove your past conversations in just a few clicks. Keep in mind that clearing history is permanent, so make sure you don't need any of those threads before you proceed. First, open Perplexity AI. You can do this in your web browser or the official app, depending on what you use most. Once the interface loads, make sure you're on your main workspace, where you typically see your recent conversations and search bar. Next, go to History. This is where all your past threads are listed in one place. You'll usually find it in the side panel or a dedicated section labeled History. Opening it lets you review what's stored and confirm you're about to clear the right content. If your list looks long or cluttered, you're in the right spot. At the top of the history view, click the three dots, often shown as an ellipsis. This menu is your shortcut to bulk actions and additional options that aren't always visible at first glance. It's designed to help you manage your data without having to open each conversation individually. From the options that appear, select Delete All. This is the command that targets your entire history instead of a single thread. Take a moment here to be certain, because this choice prepares Perplexity to remove everything in your conversation log. You'll then see the option to click Delete Threads. This acts as the final action button before the system actually clears your history. It's a safeguard to prevent accidental taps and make sure you're consciously choosing to proceed. When prompted, confirm by selecting Yes. This confirmation is important because once you approve it, your conversations can't be recovered. Think of it as emptying a trash bin rather than just moving files into it. After this point, they're gone for good. And that's it. All conversation history is cleared. Your history section should now appear empty, ready for a fresh start. This is especially helpful if you're sharing a device, preparing a clean environment for a new project, or simply want to reduce visual clutter. As a quick tip, if you prefer to keep certain threads for future reference, consider exporting notes or saving key insights elsewhere before you clear everything. Otherwise, enjoy the clean workspace and the focus it brings. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you manage your Perplexity AI history with confidence.